Hi guys, welcome to Laptop Repair World. Good evening. Today we are going to see the Dell 13 5368 2-in-1 laptop touchscreen replacement. So this is the process. What you are seeing, the replacement of touchscreen and screen. It's attached with screen and touchscreen both. Carefully remove the web camera first. After remove the webcam, so you have to carefully remove the screen cable and screen connector which is connect to the screen, and particularly one lock given at edge of the screen. So you have to remove that connector carefully. Okay, and some touch connectivity cables also connected to the bottom side of the touch screen, so you have to remove that also carefully. So one is removed perfectly now. This was an old screen you are seeing now. The touch glass was broken in this. I think you can see here cracks. It's complete cracks on here, and also some cracks on bottom side also. So this is a old screen what you are seeing. This one is the front side you are seeing. This was a back side. You can see the screen connector and part number also. You can see back side this was. So these screens are available with us, and you can see now both screens. This one is a new one and this one is a older one. Some connectors which was connected to the older one, so he's replacing that one only. This model is a Dell Inspiron 13 5368 2-in-1 laptop touch model. So this complete batteries, screens, keyboards, complete material available with us in our store Laptop Repair World, Hyderabad and Madhapur. This was a new screen. You can see this was a new screen replacement process. Guys, it's not easy to replace touchscreens, so don't try at home because it's a very costly part. So when you're trying to open the screen, so if it is damaged, so very costly. Don't try at home to open this kind of laptops. You can see the Dell logo appeared in this. Yes, thank you for watching this video, guys.